Hi guys, welcome back, and today we've got a mini unboxing and then we're going to be fitting my wife's new black chrome tailpipes to a Volkswagen Scirocco. So let's go to the unboxing and then we'll go outside and fit them. Right. There they are. Right, let's go and fit them. Right, so I've put them back in the bag just to transport them outside. So all you do, let's get in. Obviously you see it's a slash cut, so you just line the slash cut up. Push them until they stop. And there we go. That's one. And there's two. Simple as that. Nice easy fit, just finishes the car off lovely. Hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Cheers guys.